Hi there, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English words to help you grow your vocabulary and confidence in the language. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here today. Our word of the day is bad, an A1 level adjective that means not good or poor quality. It's a simple yet incredibly useful word that comes up in all kinds of conversations. So, let's explore how it works. The word bad is often used to describe something negative, whether it's an object, a situation, or even behavior. For example, if you say, "The weather is bad today," it means the weather is unpleasant, maybe rainy or stormy. If someone says, "This pizza tastes bad," it means the pizza isn't good, perhaps because it's burnt or stale. Let's look at some synonyms for bad. Words like poor, terrible, and awful can often replace bad in sentences. For instance, instead of saying, "I had a bad day," you could say, "I had a terrible day." Or, instead of "this movie is bad," you might say, "This movie is awful." Each synonym gives a slightly different shade of meaning, but they all emphasize something negative. Now, for antonyms of bad, we have words like good, excellent, and great. If you say, "This book is good," it's the opposite of saying, "This book is bad." Similarly, "The weather is excellent today" is a positive statement that contrasts with "the weather is bad today." How can you use bad in everyday life? It's incredibly versatile. You might hear someone say, "I have a bad headache," to describe feeling unwell. Or someone might mention, "That was a bad idea," to express regret about a poor decision. It's also common in expressions like "my bad," which is an informal way to admit a mistake, as in, "Oops, I forgot to text you back. My bad." Here are a few more examples of bad in sentences. "The test results were bad, so I need to study more." "She had a bad experience at the restaurant and doesn't want to go back." "His behavior was bad, and the teacher had to speak with him." So, to wrap up, today we've explored the word bad, which means not good or poor quality. We've talked about its synonyms like poor, terrible, and awful, and its antonyms like good, excellent, and great. We've also seen how it's used in common phrases and everyday situations. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Try using the word bad in a sentence of your own and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning. Bye for now.